Welcome everyone to the Best Sellers Market. I am thrilled to have you all here today. If you are passionate about high-quality bearings and seals, you have come to the right place. Today, we will be diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling bearings and seals products on Amazon. These products have been carefully selected based on their outstanding performance, customer reviews, and sales data. We know that bearings and seals are crucial components in many applications, and choosing the right ones can make all the difference. Whether you're a professional in the field or a DIY enthusiast, our countdown will provide you with valuable insights and help you make informed purchasing decisions. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it and discover the top bearings and seals products that are making waves on Amazon. Stay tuned as we reveal the best of the best, starting with number 10 and working our way to the top spot. Let's get started. Number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling bearings and seals on Amazon is none other than the Proform 66917C high-performance gear drive. Let's dive into why this product stands out in a crowded market. Imagine a world where precision meets durability, encapsulated in a sleek, compact package, with dimensions of just 3.048 centimeters in height, 29.972 centimeters in length, and 17.018 centimeters in width. This powerhouse fits seamlessly into your vehicle, delivering unmatched performance without compromising on space. Weighing in at a mere 3.6 pounds, the Proform 66917C is lightweight, yet robust. This perfect balance ensures ease of handling during installation, while maintaining the strength required for demanding applications. Its design isn't just a random choice. It's tailored specifically for your vehicle, guaranteeing an optimal fit that enhances performance and longevity. Crafted with precision in Taiwan, this gear drive epitomizes quality and innovation. Taiwan, known for its advanced manufacturing techniques and rigorous quality control, ensures that every Proform 66917C unit that reaches your hands is built to last and perform. So whether you're an automotive enthusiast seeking that extra edge, or a professional in need of reliable components, the Proform 66917C high-performance gear drive is your go-to solution. It's not just a product, it's a commitment to excellence and a testament to superior engineering. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, revealing more top-notch products that are transforming the automotive world, one seal and bearing at a time. We've reached number 4 in our exhilarating countdown of the top-selling bearings and seals on Amazon. This spot belongs to the exceptional Clevite bearing guard, 2800B4. Let's explore why this product is a true game-changer in the world of automotive maintenance and performance. Imagine a shield, a sentinel that stands guard over the heart of your engine. That's precisely what the Clevite bearing guard does. Not just any bearing guard, but one that epitomizes reliability and protection at its finest. Bearing guard. 2 simple words, but a profound impact. This product ensures that your bearings are safeguarded against the harshest conditions, providing an unparalleled layer of protection. It's not just about preventing wear and tear, it's about extending the life of your engine, ensuring smooth and efficient operation mile after mile. Clevite, a name synonymous with quality and trust in the automotive industry, brings you the 2800B4 bearing guard. Engineered with meticulous precision, this bearing guard is designed to meet the rigorous demands of modern engines. Its formulation is a blend of advanced technology and time-tested expertise, ensuring that your bearings receive the best care possible. Picture this. You're on a long journey, the engine purring smoothly, each component working in harmony. That's the Clevite difference. It's not just a product, it's peace of mind in a bottle. Knowing that every time you start your engine, you have the confidence of Clevite's protection working tirelessly in the background. So, if you're looking for unmatched reliability and superior performance, the Clevite bearing guard, 2800B4 is your perfect companion. Trust in its prowess, and let your engine experience the pinnacle of protection and efficiency. Get ready as we continue our countdown, bringing you the best of the best in bearings and seals, right here on Amazon. Stay tuned for more revelations that will transform your automotive experience. We've arrived at number 3 on our exhilarating journey through the top 5 best-selling bearings and seals on Amazon. Introducing the Ford Racing M7600A Roller Pilot bearing for 289, 302, 351C, and 351W engines. This isn't just a product, it's a performance revolution. Step into the world of high performance and precision engineering. The Ford Racing M7600A Roller Pilot. Bearing stands as a beacon of excellence for those who crave superior vehicle dynamics. Specifically crafted for the 289, 302, 351C, and 351W engines, this bearing is not just a component, it's the heartbeat of your engine's soul. Compact yet mighty, with package dimensions of 5.588 centimeters in length, 5.588 centimeters in height, and 2.286 centimeters in width, this bearing might be small, but its impact is monumental. Weighing just 0.5 pounds, it's a lightweight champion designed to elevate your vehicle's performance. This bearing is not your run-of-the-mill component. It's a marvel of engineering from the renowned Ford Racing. When you think about racing heritage and performance pedigree, Ford Racing is a name that resonates with passion and power. Made in China, this product merges the best of East Asian manufacturing precision with Ford's unparalleled racing expertise. Imagine the seamless connection between your engine and transmission, the smooth, flawless transfer of power. That's what the M7600A Roller Pilot bearing delivers. It's engineered to reduce friction, enhance efficiency, and ensure that every ounce of power from your engine is utilized to its fullest. Whether you're on the drag strip, the racetrack, or simply navigating the urban jungle, the Ford Racing M7600A Roller Pilot bearing ensures you do it with unmatched precision and reliability. It's not just about performance, it's about transforming your driving experience into something extraordinary. Stay tuned as we edge closer to the top, unveiling more industry-leading products in our countdown of the best bearings and seals available on Amazon. The journey to ultimate performance continues. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling bearings and seals on Amazon? Well, don't let your gears grind. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your engine purring smoothly with our latest updates. We're inching closer to the top of our countdown of the best-selling bearings and seals on Amazon. Claiming the number 2 spot is the remarkable National 710573 wheel seal. Let's uncover what makes this product an essential powerhouse in the world of automotive parts. Picture this, a seal that stands resilient in the face of extremes, designed to withstand the harshest of conditions. The National 710573 wheel seal is a masterpiece of engineering, embodying durability and reliability. Its design, featuring a spring-loaded single-lip structure, ensures a tight and secure fit, offering unparalleled protection for your wheels. This seal is crafted from high-quality nitrile material, known for its exceptional resistance to wear and tear. Whether you're battling sub-zero temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit or braving the heat up to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, this wheel seal maintains its integrity, ensuring your vehicle performs flawlessly. Such a broad temperature range signifies not just versatility, but also robustness, capable of enduring diverse environments. What sets the National 710573 wheel seal apart is its ability to perform exceptionally well in low-temperature conditions. Imagine driving through a winter wonderland where other seals might falter, but this one keeps your wheels turning smoothly. Its low swell in hydrocarbon fluids further enhances its reliability, ensuring consistent performance without compromising on quality. When it comes to repairs, having a seal that you can trust is paramount. The National 710573 delivers quality and reliable performance for every type of repair, making it an indispensable component in any mechanic's toolkit. It's not just a seal, it's a guardian for your wheels, promising longevity and efficiency. In the realm of automotive maintenance, the National 710573 wheel seal stands as a testament to superior craftsmanship and enduring quality. It's more than just a product, it's peace of mind encapsulated in nitrile. Stay tuned as we reveal the number 1 product in our top 5 bearings and seals on Amazon. The pinnacle of excellence is just around the corner. And here we are at the pinnacle of our countdown, unveiling the #1 best-selling bearings and seals on Amazon. Drumroll, please. Taking the top spot is the USA Standard Gear ZBKD 30JK bearing kit for Jeep JK Dana 30 front differential. Let's delve into why this product reigns supreme. Envision a world where every drive, every adventure, is backed by uncompromising strength and reliability. The USA Standard Gear ZBKD 30JK bearing kit is the epitome of precision and quality, designed specifically for the Jeep JK Dana 30 front differential. It's not just a kit, it's a complete solution, ensuring your vehicle performs at its peak, whether you're conquering rugged trails or cruising down highways. At the heart of this kit are the Koyo bearings and races. Renowned for their superior quality, these components are engineered to withstand the toughest conditions, providing a seamless, smooth ride. The inclusion of Koyo bearings signifies a commitment to excellence, a promise that your Jeep is equipped with the best of the best. But it doesn't stop there. This bearing kit comes with all the high-quality small parts you need, ensuring a comprehensive installation. No more hunting for missing components or worrying about compatibility issues. Everything you need to install your ring and pinion set is right here, meticulously curated for a perfect fit. Navigating an installation can be daunting, but not with the USA Standard Gear ZBKD 30JK bearing kit. It includes a detailed installation guide, walking you through each step with clarity and ease. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a passionate DIY enthusiast, this guide ensures the process is straightforward and hassle-free. This kit is more than just a collection of parts. It's a testament to thoughtful engineering and dedication to quality. It represents the culmination of years of expertise, tailored to provide your Jeep with unparalleled performance and reliability. So there you have it, the crowning jewel of our top 5 bearings and seals on Amazon, the USA Standard Gear ZBKD 30JK bearing kit for Jeep JK Dana 30 front differential is not just a purchase, it's an investment in excellence, ensuring every journey you embark on is backed by the best in the industry. Thank you for joining us on this exciting countdown. Here's to many more miles of reliable, thrilling adventures with the finest automotive components at your side. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling bearings and seals on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products mentioned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.